Howdy. Little update here. I've match drilled between the side rails, these holes, and the skin and the fuselage, and took this whole assembly out and deburred all the holes where I can access them, and also took some acetone to the inside of the aft of the fuselage here. You can see the lettering is kind of faint, but it is better. It looks better now. Also cleaned up the bulkheads with acetone as well. Get the lettering off of those. Used a very fancy pull with a rag to get to the parts that I can't reach anymore. Pro tip, if you're building one of these, I would recommend to clean these parts as you go from the inside, because I can't reach back there so easily now. That's all right. I've got a few cross braces supporting the side rails, so I didn't lose kind of the shape or deform the skin at all or anything. So I kind of locks those in, and those are all just held up by the house. So one side at a time here. I took all the clecos out, rolled the skin down, and was able to get access to both sides of these side rails and deburr those. Acetone cleaned up these parts as well pretty nicely. I added some countersinks every other hole here, along where the fuel tank rests on top. So those countersink holes align to dimples in this skin here, and a countersink rivet will sit flush in those holes, and no skin bulge there. Got the motor box parts also laid out. Did some kind of dry fit test fits of what I could, just to understand as much as I could before going forward. Yeah, that's where we're at. So next steps, I'll slide this thing back. I'll get it riveted in with the bulkhead all around this lower perimeter, and off to the races. the races, yeah. A little slow, frankly, but that's all right. So, y'all take care.